Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 17th and happy Tuesday. So let's get into the recap today, and let me pull over the chart for the SPY, right? And let's see how the overall market did today. Let me make this full screen. So overall market, again, kind of dipped down and then went back up. So not bad. I know there's been some positive news around the vaccine with Pfizer and Moderna, where they have, I think Moderna has 95% of success rate so far, and Pfizer has 90%. Either way, both are good companies, and hopefully we keep getting good news. So, yep, let's just look at the daily real quick on the SPY, and yeah, definitely is doing good. So maybe tomorrow it maybe consolidate here and then go up again or something. I don't know, but definitely not bad. So other than that, let's go over my trades. So today I had maybe, let's see, maybe like, I would say like 5 or 4 round trip trades. And I think I only had one red trade and all of them were green. So we can definitely go over those. So let's go over MOGO, right? So MOGO, I got in at 213 and I sold at 217. No, I sold at 220. Got in at 213 and sold at 220. This was around 640. So if I open up MOGO here, let's look at the 1 minute chart. So obviously, it died off later on, but it seems like it's coming up. Could be worth watching, but there's some volume right now. Either way, let's go ahead and come up here. So I got in, I believe, for the red to green move, right? Which was, let's see, I got in around here. Yep, I think so. Let me double check. So I got in at 213 and sold at 220. So 213, which is going to be around this area. And then I sold some. No, I got in at this area actually right here. So here, let me draw out the line real quick. Whoops. Okay, that was a different line. I think I chose the wrong one. This is the one I want. So I got in around this area right here. The opening range was right there, and also there's pre-market resistance around that area as well. So I got in, and around this area there was a seller as well. So I got in for the break of 213. This wasn't A plus setup, but it was definitely like B plus, A setup for me. So it broke out and then I sold at 220, which is a few cents away from the top. And then from there, it died down, right? And it sold off. So, and then the next trade, let's look at that. The next one I had was at DNK. This one, I got in at 164. Let's see here. I got in at 164. And I got out pretty much 164. Let's look at that one real quick. Let me just clear this. Yeah, and this obviously went, crazy later on. So I got in, let's see here, DNK, I got in at like 659, which is probably around this area somewhere. Let's see. 659, this area right here I got in, but was it 165, 69? No, let me see here. DNK, I got in at 164 and I got out at 164, pretty much break even, right? So it was this area right here, got in, and it kind of didn't hold up. I was expecting this to break through high of day, but it didn't, but then sold off, so that's why I got out break even. But look what happened later on. It bounced off and then, went crazy. So you catch some, you don't catch some, you catch some of it or you lose some of it. It's part of the game, right? Just got to move on. So that was DNK, right? OPTT. This is the one I lost on. Let me pull that up real quick. OPTT. Yeah, this was kind of whippy stock. And I was looking for, I think it was this break right here, 209, right? It kind of broke and then broke down, broke up, broke down, right? Same thing was happening, but it didn't work out. And then I got in at like 208, and I think I got out at 204. So, you know, stocks like that, you gotta have a sometimes wider stop loss, just because of, you know, these candles are big. But this was whippy stock, but I knew that, but I took the chance just because I know that if this breaks, you know, this could go in parabolic, just like what happened with DNK, right? So, yep. So that was it, right? And look what happened. It went and tested and double topped at 250. So not bad for DNK for sure. And then I had traded CITB, was all right. Riot was a good example. I got it in 482 and got out 484. I sold way too early on Riot. I had a couple chances to get in and get out, but I didn't take them. But yeah, definitely, like, Riot went crazy. So, and I got in around, so the play I wanted to get in was around this area right here. There was a seller there and there was a pattern, but I just didn't feel comfortable. I don't know why. I just felt like this needs more consolidation, but I didn't, and it broke off. So that's why I missed a lot of this move. Look at this. This went crazy. So yeah, whoever caught this, congrats. That was definitely a good move. And then I caught MOGO. That's not worth showing. So yeah, overall not bad. I finished the day up down here at 127, which is good. So far I've had, like, I think 5 green days streak so far, so not bad. Just been working on, you know, keeping the losses small and let my winners run as much as I can, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Let's see how this week ends. Hopefully this week ends on a very strong note. That would be great. Lately this whole month has just been very choppy, right? Or very slow. If you had one bad day, one big loss, I mean, it's very tough to come out of that in this type of market, right? So slowly you got to dig yourself out of the hole and whatnot, and just follow your plan. I know this month I had 2, not major loss, but decent loss, maybe about a 1 or 1.2% on my account, and I've been trying to recover from that, right? So and I'm out of the hole pretty much. I think I'm only down like $20 or something like that. But as you can see, in markets like this, it's very hard to come out. But you gotta follow your plan. Some months are gonna be good, some months are gonna be great, some months are gonna be all right, and some months you're gonna break even. But the key thing is learning from your trades, right? If you're breaking even, why are you breaking even, right? And if you're coming out of the hole, why did that decent loss happen for you to come out of the hole, right? So you got to learn from those things and make sure every month that goes on, you only get better, right? So try not to judge yourself on daily basis, right? Try to judge yourself off of maybe like a weekly basis. And then when the next week comes, then judge yourself on the daily basis from the previous week to make sure you're not making those same mistakes again. So that's definitely the key part. And I'm learning, and I'm still learning every day. It's part of this game. So this is it for me. I'm signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.